All right, so as we speak right now, this is the Federal High Court, Abuja, where Omoyele Sowore's matter is being heard by Justice Taiwo Taiwo. So the update is that the judge currently has just, stepped down, or he went on recess. He said he will be back. Possibly when he resumes the matter, is coming back to announce his decision, or what you may call verdict in legal parlance. So we will know whether today it will be granted bail. But so far the argument has been that Falana is asking the judge to release Sowore on bail, since the initial detention request by the DSS for 45 days has already lapsed or expired, and there's no renewal application to that effect. As a result, it automatically holds that you should allow the man to be released. Whereas the prosecution lawyer also argued that you don't release somebody like that, especially because he has been charged or alleged, for a capital offense. So when something is a capital offense, it's a matter of national security, and that it should be a court of higher jurisdiction, or the courts that will eventually try the matter that should determine whether the defendant should be granted bail. So Falana quickly reminded or refreshed the memory of the court that it's not the first time somebody will be charged with such. After all, he reminded the court that after all, Chief MK Abiola was also charged with similar treasonable felony, and in the course of it, he was granted bail on self-recognition that the same could be extended to Mr. Omoyele Sowore. So that was the argument so far. So he then said that the prosecution is confused for asking, trying to railroad the court into taking a decision in favor of the DSS again, after already infringing on the right of Omoyele Sowore to be in detention, for 45 days without pressing the charges, and that even the judge himself at one time before defended he himself for similar allegation. So that there is no reason that someone should not be granted bail on the basis that he's only been accused for an offense that has not been substantiated, and that in the past, making specific reference to 1995, that MK Abiola was similarly charged for treasonable felony, but was granted bail. So why should somebody not be granted bail on the basis that he's accused? Is it the first time? No, certainly he can be granted bail. So Falana is being hailed by everybody currently that he's a very smart lawyer, and that this is looking sweet so far. So we are expecting resumption of the hearing, and then we hope that it will turn positive. So the judge will resume shortly now, and then we'll give you the update. This is Segun Olo, this is Objective Media, and then we'll give you updates once there is update. So we are still here. This is the environment of the courts as we speak right now. First floor, Court 10 at Maitama Federal High Court in Abuja. My name is Segun Olo once again, and that is the live updates for you so far. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Please share this video, share the information, let everybody be aware, follow it up, and stay tuned, because we're also sharing text in our community, YouTube community, Instagram. Follow us on Instagram at Objective Media, also on Facebook at Objective Media, also on Twitter at Objective Media. So the information is there. Thank you so much for staying tuned.